Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to block dangerous downloads in Vivaldi browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Vivaldi includes built-in protection called phishing and malware protection, which helps block malicious websites and unsafe file downloads. So let's get started. First, open Vivaldi browser on your computer. Then click on menu icon in the top left corner and select settings in the drop down menu. Under Vivaldi settings, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, under privacy section, you will find Google services. Here, ensure phishing and malware protection is checked. That's it. Now Vivaldi will automatically warn you or block dangerous and suspicious downloads before they can harm your system. This helps protect your computer from malware and unsafe files. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.